Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to hide the typing status from specific people on WhatsApp. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone and tap on the WhatsApp app. Step 2. Go to settings. In the bottom right corner, tap settings. Step 3. Open privacy. Tap on privacy to access all your privacy controls. Step 4. Understand a key point. WhatsApp does not have any official feature hide the typing indicator for specific people, but you can avoid showing typing using simple tricks. Now I'll show you the method. Method 1. Tap in airplane mode. Open the chat of the person. Swipe the down from the top right of your phone. Turn the airplane mode on. Tap your message. After typing, close the message. Turn airplane mode off. WhatsApp sends message without showing typing to other person. That's it. I hope this method help you send message without showing typing. And that's it. Now you know how to hide the typing status on your WhatsApp for specific people. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, drop some like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.